Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I will share with you how I created this cute shaped card, and I started off by taking the largest die from the luggage mini album, and you can see I have my scoring tool here, and I'm just placing it side so I can see where I should score my paper. And you can see here I'm scoring it this way so that I have quite a lot overlapping but a good sized slimline card, if that makes sense. And then I folded it over and cut it out using my die cutting machine, and you can see now when I'm taking the adhesive off that I have my card base created. Hopefully you will see it here in a second. I just showed you the dies that I used, and here is that shaped card that is you can open. And then I cut another piece with the exact same die, but this time I cut it out the entire piece so I can layer that on top, so we can build on top of this one in a second here. You can also see to the right in my screen that I cut all of the pieces for the luggage and also the flowers so that we can get ready to assemble all of these pieces. So now just cutting off a little bit of this, and then my shaped card is completed. And you can see here I have the overlap and then everything else. So that is nice. I'm using the Simple Story collection here. It's an oldie but goodie that I really enjoy the pattern papers inside and the color scheme. So I was excited to bring this out today and create with. You can see here I took a matching solid cardstock from my stash and just cut the base piece of that. Then the luggage piece, the decorational piece, will be in this pretty colorful flower cardstock. And then we will have our handle, and that will be in gold. And my wheels for this bag will also be in gold. You can see the handle here is in the same pattern paper, which I think is so cute. And then we will have the sentiment. I really enjoy this. I think it's so cute. So my wheels are in place, and of course I wanted the cute middle center part here to be in the same color scheme, so I looked up some other cardstock from my stash and just cut the smaller circles from that. We have the travel sentiment. You can definitely companion this with something else if you would like. This comes with a set, so I just decided to go ahead and use that one. I know that they released like some other word sets with beach themes, and I think those had been nice as well. We also had, I think, a traveling one, so definitely a good variety out there if you like to use those. And here I'm also assembling the spring flower. So you can see how I did those. You can see they come in 3 different sizes. So I took the 3 different sizes, one of each, and just put them together offset. And then we have the center part that comes with a shadow piece and then a center piece. I don't know if this is the correct way to assemble them. I just thought they looked cute, so I decided to go ahead and use them this way. My sentiment I raised up with some foam. My flower I did the same thing with. And then you can see I cut some leaves out of a darker shade of the same color family as I used for the suitcase here. And I think that turned out really nice. And I sort of ripped my leaves to be in different sizes so that they would compare nicely together or play nicely together. And you can see I have some foam to the back of all of this. And sorry, I'm a little bit off camera here, but you will see the flower here in a second. And I need to use some liquid glue as well to make this pop and stick to my project. So that pretty much finished off our shaped card for today. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial on how you can use your mini album dies to create shaped cards. I have a ton of different videos out there sharing this technique, so I can link some of those down below. And until next time, I hope you have a great day. Bye!